Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about two properties of liquids, which are surface tension and viscosity. So the first is surface tension, and this is a property of a liquid, and it's an inward force or pull among the molecules that make up the liquid that brings the molecules on the surface closer together. So as you can see in this picture, the molecules on the surface of the water are being pulled inward towards these molecules that are more below the surface, so it's pulling them closer together. And this happens because water molecules attract one another, so the molecules at the surface of the water are pulled inwards towards the molecules beneath the surface. And you can see that in this picture. This depicts a water droplet, and these are the molecules inside the droplet. So surface tension can be broken, and one way to do that is to use soap. Soap weakens the surface tension by separating the water molecules. And some examples of surface tension are when you see on leaves the water droplets beaded up on the leaves. Another is that if you put something in water like a paper clip or a sewing needle, it'll float on the top like this, but if you push it below the surface, it'll sink. So just that surface tension on the surface of the water allows it to float. The second property of liquid that we're going to talk about is viscosity. And viscosity is a liquid's resistance to flowing. And this depends on the size and the shape of the molecules in the liquid, as well as the strength of the attraction between the particles of a liquid. So liquids with high viscosity flow slowly, so that means it has a high resistance to flowing. Liquids with low viscosity, they don't have much resistance to flow. They flow very quickly. So one example is water. Water has a low viscosity, it flows very quickly. Honey has high viscosity, so when you pour honey out of a bottle, it pours out much more slowly. So your flashcards that you're going to make are viscosity and surface tension.